Are you ready to draw cute little Neymar together? Now let's draw with me. Hello little soccer fans. If you love Neymar, give this video a huge soccer style like. First, let's start by drawing two big ovals for his eyes. Now, let's draw a curve inside each eye for the iris. Next, let's add some shine dots to make the eyes look extra sparkly and cute. Now, draw a curved line to separate the bottom of the pupil. You can color the lower part later and fill in the top part with black. Awesome job! Let's draw a tiny oval for his nose and a nice, big curve for his happy smile. Let's draw his short, thick eyebrows above his eyes. They make him look so cute. Now, let's draw a U-shaped line under his eyes and mouth. It should go all the way up to his eyes, just like a little bowl. Use two lines on the sides for the head, and add the hairline around his forehead. Since this character has curly hair, let's draw some fun, tiny curls on top of his head. Oh my goodness! He looks amazing! Add a few details inside. Now, let's add two curves on the sides for his ears, and add a little line for detail on each ear. Let's move on to the body. Start with a triangle for his jersey collar and give it some thickness. Okay, now follow along with me to draw his shoulders, arms, sleeves, and his shirt on both sides. Perfect! Now, let's write Neymar's famous number, 10, right in the middle of his shirt. Draw his little hands on each side. Under his shirt, let's draw his soccer shorts nice and simple. We can add his number 10 on the shorts too. Finally, draw two short, straight lines for each leg and attach the shoes at the bottom. done. He is so adorable, right? If you love Neymar, give this video a huge soccer-style like. See you next time.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.